Welcome back to Amazing Tools and Technology. 10 smart home gadgets, all under $50, all on Amazon. Let's get straight into it.
Number 1. Casa Smart Plug Ultra Mini 15 Ampere. The Casa Smart Plug Ultra Mini 15 Ampere turns any dumb appliance into a smart device. Just plug it into your wall outlet, then plug in your lamp, fan, coffee maker, or Christmas lights. That's it. Voice control works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say, "Turn on the fan," and it happens instantly. Hands-free convenience. Setup is simple. You need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Plug in the device, open the Casa app, follow the instructions. Done in under 2 minutes. The scheduling feature is powerful. Use timers or countdowns to automatically turn devices on and off. Set your coffee maker to start at 7 a.m. Set your bedroom lamp to turn off at 11 p.m. You can control everything from anywhere, at home, in the office, or on vacation. Open the Casa app on your smartphone and control your electronics remotely. The Ultra Mini design won't block your second outlet. You can plug two side by side. Under $20, a no-brainer purchase.
Number 2. Amazon Basics Smart A19 LED Light Bulb. The Amazon Basics Smart A19 LED light bulb is a smart upgrade for convenience and energy efficiency. It costs just $10 and has over 13,000 reviews with a 4.4-star rating. This bulb works exclusively with Alexa, not Google, not Apple, just Alexa. Setup is simple. Screw in the bulb, open the Alexa app, and you get notified, "First light bulb found." No hub required, just 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. You get 16 preset colors. Change colors for movie night, gaming, or holidays. Just say, "Alexa, set the hall lights to purple." Dimmable from 5% to 100%, but only through voice or app, not a physical dimmer. Create routines to schedule lights at sunset and sunrise. Control from anywhere, make your home look occupied while on vacation. Group lights by room. Say, "Alexa, turn off the bedroom." 9 watts of power gives you 60 watts of brightness, 800 lumens, perfect for every room, including bathrooms.
Number 3. Amazon Echo Dot newest model. The Amazon Echo Dot is the newest model with a vibrant-sounding speaker. It costs $49 and has nearly 200,000 reviews with a 4.7-star rating. Designed for bedrooms, dining rooms, and offices. Play music, audiobooks, and podcasts from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, or via Bluetooth. Alexa helps with weather, timers, questions, and jokes. Just tap your Echo Dot to snooze your alarm. This device has built-in motion and temperature sensors. Create routines to automatically turn on lights when you walk into a room, or start a fan if the temperature goes above your comfort zone. Keep your home comfortable without lifting a finger. Pair multiple Echo devices for whole home music, or create a home theater with Fire TV. With eRow built in, this Echo Dot doubles as a mesh Wi-Fi extender, adding up to 1,000 square feet of coverage. Multiple privacy controls, including a physical mic off button. Amazon does not sell your personal information.
Number 4. Topo TP-Link 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera. The Topo TP-Link 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera is perfect as a baby monitor, pet camera, or indoor security camera. It costs just $19.52 with over 20,000 reviews at 4.5 stars. The video quality is 2K high definition, 2300 by 1296 resolution. Capture every detail. See exactly what your baby or pet is doing. This camera pans 360 degrees horizontally and tilts 114 degrees vertically. It sees entire rooms with no blind spots. Night vision works up to 30 feet. Two-way audio lets you comfort your pet from anywhere. Built-in siren wards off intruders. Get instant notifications when motion, person, or baby crying is detected. Save footage on a micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes, or subscribe to Topo Care for cloud storage. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. View live stream on Echo Show. 2 people can view the camera feed from different phones simultaneously. Number 5. Govee Life Upgraded Smart Water Detector 1S. The Govee Life Upgraded Smart Water Detector 1S comes in a 3-pack. It costs $54.99 with a 4.4-star rating from over 2,000 reviews. This water sensor has breakthrough connectivity. Using advanced sub-1G long-range wireless tech, it reaches up to 1,804 feet, even through 5 dense walls, perfect for basements, detached garages, and distant outbuildings. Multiple reminder methods. Get SMS, app push, and email notifications, all completely free. The sensor also flashes red and sounds a loud 105 decibel alarm. The app is feature-rich. Use the Find Device feature to trigger audible beeps and locate misplaced sensors. Add multiple email addresses so family and friends get alerts too. IP67 waterproof rating. Survives spills, humidity, and even accidental submersion. Just wipe dry and reuse. 5-year battery life. 1-tap alarm silence in the app. Number 6. Orbit 24511 Beehive XD 1-port Smart Hose Watering Timer. The Orbit Beehive XD Smart Hose Watering Timer costs $37.55. It has a 4.1-star rating from over 1,700 reviews. This device offers effortless auto watering. It controls watering based on precise local weather data. Your plants receive the perfect amount of water every time. Program the XD wirelessly via Wi-Fi or locally through Bluetooth. Enjoy remote control and customization options for all your watering needs. The timer understands local drought conditions and automatically adjusts watering. Customize settings and implement local watering restrictions easily. The waterproof design has an IPX5 certification. It is protected against low-pressure water streams from any angle. Enjoy worry-free outdoor use in your yard or garden all summer long. This timer is EPA WaterSense certified. When combined with a Wi-Fi hub, it meets strict standards for efficient water usage. Save water, save money, and keep your garden healthy with this smart watering timer. Number 7. Govee Life Mini Air Purifier. The Govee Life Mini Air Purifier costs $39.99 and has a 4.7-star rating from over 3,500 reviews, perfect for bedrooms, offices, and small spaces. Connect the smart air purifier to the Govee app for features like power on and off, custom mode, sleep mode, timer, fan speed, and filter change reminders. Works with Alexa and IFTTT. Note that 5 GHz Wi-Fi is not supported. This purifier features a dual-channel 360-degree air intake design. It can purify a 376-square-foot room once per hour, small in size but equally as powerful as larger units. The custom mode lets you preset 3 different switch times with different fan speeds. Sleep mode operates as low as 24 decibels, quiet enough for uninterrupted sleep. The built-in aromatherapy function has a fragrance pad. Add 4 to 5 drops of your favorite essential oil. Enjoy fresh, clean, great-smelling air. Number 8. Philips Hue Wireless Smart Light Switch Button. The Philips Hue Wireless Smart Light Switch Button costs $32.99. It has a 4.6-star rating. Important note, this requires a Philips Hue bridge to work. Control your lights with a simple click. One touch turns lights on and off. Press and hold to dim or brighten the space. Cycle through different scenes easily. The wireless button uses time-based light function by default. It gives you the best light for each moment of the day automatically. Morning, bright light. Evening, warm light. Customize everything in the Hue app. Set which rooms or zones the button controls. Choose scenes for each time slot. Start or stop automations with a simple press. Flexible wireless mounting. Use the included adhesive to mount the button anywhere around your home, or place it on any magnetic surface. No wiring needed. Portable and battery-powered. Perfect for bedside tables or entryways. Number 9. SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher. The SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher costs $25.99. It has a 4.1-star rating from over 28,000 reviews. This device makes any switch smart without rewiring. Control rocker switches in one-way buttons from your phone. Perfect for bedroom lights, fans, or appliances you don't want to get up to reach. Not for toggle switches, touch panels, or stiff, aged buttons. The app control has built-in timers that keep running even without your phone nearby. Set on-off schedules for morning coffee routines or nightly shutoffs. Bluetooth control is included for local use. Add a SwitchBot hub separately for voice control with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Also adds remote control and IFTTT support. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is required for hub features. Fast, tool-free installation with included adhesive. Choose press mode for button presses or switch mode for rocker switches. Number 10. Coil 2-pack Automatic Touchless Garbage Can. The Coil Automatic Touchless Garbage Can comes in a 2-pack. It costs $28.49. Each can is 2.2 gallons. It has a 4.5-star rating from over 3,700 reviews. This motion sensor trash can uses advanced infrared sensing technology. The lid opens automatically in 0.1 seconds when it detects your hand. The lid closes automatically if no movement is detected within 5 seconds. Need to keep the trash can open longer? Manually press the up arrow button. After use, press the down arrow button to close the lid. The smart trash can has a one-piece barrel design with a fully sealed enclosure. This effectively isolates odors and maintains a fresh indoor environment. IPX5 waterproof rating. Made of high-quality ABS material. The bottom is non-slip. Perfect for bedroom, bathroom, office, or living room. A smart gadget you didn't know you needed.